Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this scalloped wood tray from Dollar Tree. I started off by taking the stickers off, and then I am going to give this a couple of coats of white paint. You could use acrylic or chalk. I chose acrylic because I'm going to use a rub-on transfer, and I feel like they go better onto acrylic paint than they do onto chalk paint. So once I have this all painted, I'm going to let that fully dry. While it's fully drying, I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to take a bunch of little half wood beads. I do not know the size. I bought a pack on Amazon, and it had like 500 beads in it, and I threw them all in a jar, and I have no idea what size they are. So these ones I just estimated about the size, and I painted them all with a yellow color that matched the transfer that I wanted to use. So once I had them all painted and they were dry, I'm going to take and glue one to each spot of scallop on the tray. So every little scallop is going to get a bead. And I did this around the whole entire tray. I'm trying not to use as much glue as possible because I don't want it to squeeze out the sides. So I'm just going to keep putting little dots of glue, then adding beads, and I did this, like I said, all the way around. And the size bead that I picked was like to be near sort of the size of the scallop, but not as big as it. So that's how I decided what size to use. And again, I did that all the way around the whole thing. Now I'm going to take this rub-on transfer that I got off of Amazon, just some sunflowers. I'm going to set that in the center here. And then I'm going to use this applicator and rub that on and then slowly peel that up. And like I said, I did it with the acrylic paint because I always have trouble with rub-on transfers with the chalk paint. So now that I feel like I have it mostly done, I'm going to start peeling that plastic up. And these ones were really, really super sticky, so I was very afraid that it was going to peel up the paint, but it actually did not. I'm making sure that I peel up and get all of the design on there. Then there was another part of the rub-on transfers that had just a single butterfly, so I did cut that butterfly out, and I put that next to these flowers as well. You'll see that once I get this all off. Like I said, these were super, super sticky. So I decided to add that little butterfly, and I just kind of put it in one of the blank spaces and then peel that up as well. Once I had that all on there, I'm going to take another 4 wood half beads, and these were like bigger ones, much bigger than the ones that I used around the tray. I'm going to paint those the same color yellow that I did for the ones that went all around on the scallops. Then I'm going to let those also fully dry. And I just use tape to stick down to my paint mat here, and then I paint on the tape because it makes it so it's easier and the beads don't roll all over the place on you. Then I'm going to flip that upside down. I'm going to add some glue and then a bead to all 4 corners. So I'm just using wood glue that I got at Dollar Tree. You can probably see the $1.25 tag on that. I'm doing all 4 corners. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and I love it. I'm going to take it outside and give it a quick clear coat. And that'll prevent it from whatever I throw in it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.